focal point, back once again with not so much of a one-take walkthrough, but this house deserves some love. Welcome everybody. Today we are at 3531 Grande Tuscany Way. Look at this kitchen. Very open concept. Modern amenities, huge living room with gorgeous ceilings. This is the office. Sweet. I'm gonna pop back here into the master bedroom. Oh. Pop back in. Look at this bathroom on the master. His and hers walk-in closets. Yeah. That's no Jack and Jill sink. That's separate sinks for each party. Look at this before we pop upstairs. Let's jump back out to the drone, see what it looks like on the back of the lake. Such a beautiful outdoor space. Class act. Let's jump in the air. This is the footprint. End of a cul-de-sac, corner lot, on one of the bigger houses in this area in Venetian Bay, New Smyrna Beach. 3531 Grande Tuscany Way. See you soon.